Hey guys, if you're trading Forex, Skrill is still one of the fastest deposit and withdrawal methods, especially for global traders. Here's the full guide. Open your Skrill account and make sure it's fully verified, identity, address, and payment limits. Most Forex brokers require full verification before allowing deposits. Next, load your Skrill balance. You can add funds using bank transfer, debit or credit card, crypto if your region supports it, wallet to wallet transfers. Now open your Forex broker. For example, Forex.com, XM, XNES, Pepperstone, IC Markets, or any regulated broker that Skrill supports. Okay, go to deposit, hit Skrill, enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm. Skrill will redirect you to a secure window where you log in and authorize the payment. Deposit usually instant, and fees depend on the broker. Many brokers charge 0%. For withdrawals, go to withdraw, Skrill into the amount and confirm. Withdrawals usually take a few minutes to a few hours depending on the broker's internal review times. Pro tips for Forex traders: use Skrill VIP to reduce deposit or withdraw fees. Avoid converting currency inside your Forex broker. Convert inside Skrill. It's cheaper. Enable 2FA security so your wallet isn't compromised. And that's how you use Skrill safely, efficiently, and at low cost with Forex brokers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.